He double dipped!
No, I didn't.
He missed!
Ah! Better?
Welcome to our Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign. Radice is known for the arsonic stitchless technology, which means individual parts are fused together using a laser and high-frequency techniques without the use of threading. One of the smartest gadgets is the integrated rescue system in the vest. Adrian Ruhstaller, the founder of Radice, started to develop the Radice Protect pants already 2 years ago, so he worked on all the functions until he was completely satisfied with all these little details. Radice is a Swiss outdoor brand founded back in 2003. For people who love nature, movement and freedom, we create possibilities to live their talents, their ambitions, their passion and to discover their new borders. Radice develops and produces highly functional technical outerwear for mountain lovers and all their activities in summer and winter. And now imagine, our Protect pants were honored with a NISPO award in early 2019, and this makes us really proud. 43 persons from 12 different nations were in that jury, and they decided to credit our Protect pants in the category Snow Sports 3-layer weather protection. The integrated full-length zipper on the side can of course be used as a ventilation. As the zippers are connected over the buttocks, they can also be used as a drop seat, and this feature really confirms the alpine spirit of our Protect pants. For safety reasons, we use a Schoeller Cordura fabric with a high abrasion resistance as edge protection. The leg width and the snow gaiters are of course adjustable and easy to handle for every kind of usage. And another beautiful detail. The back of the vest is finished with laser holes for a better breathability, and through a smart zipper system you can easily remove the vest from the pants. The leg pocket has a special inner pocket to fix your mobile phone in the right position. Because sustainability is really important for us, we are only using PFC-free water impregnation methods, and this since years. For a better protection of the stressed areas like joints and the use of harness, we use a reinforced fabric. The fabrics are not only high abrasion resistant and waterproof, but also offer high breathability. A comfortable next to the skin feeling is given by the brushed inside of the pants. Modest reflection tapes above the knees increase the visibility during your activities early in the morning. The Protect pants offer you a complete new level of comfort, weight and durability, and all this by respecting all environmental aspects. Thanks, and see you uphill.
Monster Towel is huge. At 10 by 10 feet, Monster Towel gives you 100 square feet of microfiber suede material to lay out on the beach or park. Monster Towel also features corner pockets to keep the towel way down and in place, as well as a secret corner pocket to hide important valuables. The unique microfiber material easily allows you to shake off sand. It is also super soft to the touch and highly absorbent, helping you dry off at the beach. Monster Towel is also great for parks and picnics. It's a perfect companion to bring along with your family and friends. Monster Towel is easy to fold and rolls up really small and compact, so you can take it pretty much anywhere. It comes with an easy to carry strap and only weighs 3.5 pounds. You can pretty much fit it in almost any bag. Kids absolutely love Monster Towel indoors and out. And mom and dads love it because it's 100% machine washable.
Clutch today because beach towels are so fun and we have the best one for you.